So here's the thing with Lou. Okay. Where Lou might get allegedly into legal trouble, I'll tell you why. Okay, it's for a few reasons. Lou does not accept money. He doesn't for financial advice. He doesn't have a Discord. He doesn't accept any type of super chats for financial advice. That I give him. But here's what the problem is. Lou doesn't have a disclaimer. On all these thousands of videos that Lou made, he never one time said, I'm not a financial planner. I don't give financial advice. This video, all my videos are for entertainment purposes only, like I do. I have a disclaimer where I say that, okay? But the thing is, Lou doesn't. Now, Lou has made a lot of very big claims, such as that he has 20 years of Wall Street experience. He's also made claims that hedge funds contact him over the phone and apparently give him insider information, right? Remember, he's like, look, they tell me information and then I relay it to you. Okay. Lewis also said that banks have offered him payoff money to keep his mouth shut, to not go against retail. Remember that? He's like, I have a witness. A corrupt bank came to me and offered me more money than I will make on the Moaz, on the AMC Moaz, and I turned it down. Okay, so I could go on and on and on and about Lou. Now the thing is, I also believe Lou never invested in any of these stocks. Now again, I have to say it's alleged. This is subject to my opinion, but Lou made claims that he did invest in these stocks. Okay, so that's another thing that could be potentially legally against him, because if you're making claims like, look, I own AMC, I own Clove, I got my money in GTII, I got my money in all these different things, and then it turns out he never had his money in it, and other people are listening to them and they're losing money, and Lou doesn't have a disclaimer, yeah, he's another one that might get the knock on the door soon. And then they might want to, do an audit. Say, okay, so Lou, let me ask you a question. You were claiming you owned AMC. Let me see your position in that. Let me see your position in GTII. Let me see your position in COSM, whatever the case may be. Let me see your position in RNVA. Let me see your position in all these things, okay? And then this is the best part. If it turns out he doesn't have a position, that's only one part of the problem. Second part of the problem, doesn't have a disclaimer. And I used to always say this about Lou. I'm like, how come the guy doesn't say, I'm not a financial planner, I don't give financial advice, this is for entertainment purposes only? No, he comes across like, remember he said, he even made claims. I made $1 million. Actually, I'm sorry, multi-million dollars, he said. I made multi-million dollars on COSM. I heard him. He's probably going to delete all these videos. I made multi-million dollars on GTII. Okay. So the SEC might want to ask them about that. Can we please see the multi-million dollar profits that you made? And Lou's going to be like, he's going to say the same thing to the SEC that he said to the judge. I'm bankrupt. I can't afford Luna's. I can't afford the fines. I can't afford interest. This is what he told the judge when he got arrested that time for stealing $73,000 from senior citizens. The judge was like, "Look, we order you to pay back the $73,000. There will be interest attached to this." Lou says, "I have no assets. I don't own a home." This is public record. I don't own a house. I don't own cars. I have no money in the bank. I have no portfolio. I cannot pay the interest. I can't even afford the interest on the restitution of $73,000, which is precisely, in my opinion, I'll say alleged. I'll say alleged for this whole video because I can't prove it, but that's what I just feel, in my opinion. He'll probably tell the SEC, be like, look, I can't afford nothing. I got no money. I got nothing. Okay. But the biggest problem that Lou is facing is that he doesn't have a disclaimer. I never one time saw him say, I'm not a financial planner. I don't give financial advice. This video and all my videos are for entertainment purposes only. So that's the deal with Louis. And in a way, Louis did profit. J. Lou, Uncle Festa, okay, Tyrone and Jamal's boy toy. He did profit because he made YouTube ad revenue. But the YouTube ad revenue was based on deception. It was based on lies. And that could also be held against him, okay? He presented himself to be someone he was not. A person with 20 years of Wall Street experience, a person who's making multi millions of dollars on plays, a person who's being offered money from banks, corrupt banks, to go against retail. I mean, he made a lot of claims. A person that says he has direct contacts with hedge funds, traders, giving him information, okay, of which he relays on to you. So, no disclaimer. Now, in my case, Lou, I do have a disclaimer. Hey, ready? This is my disclaimer. This video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial planner. This video and all my videos are for entertainment purposes only.